The HB.js VS Code extension provides direct access to artifacts within CICS without requiring any changes to existing applications. Using JavaScript, HB.js enables the creation of business process-focused APIs that streamline how critical mainframe functions are integrated across the enterprise. The extension includes the Application Explorer, or AE, which allows you to interact with the host in real time. You are actually sending requests to the host. The host processes that request and sends us a response. From this interaction, we generate a screen. HB.js doesn't utilize screen scraping. Screen scraping means we're relying on XY coordinates on the screen. Instead, we use the variables in the source code from the initial developer. As we interact with the host, we capture key values and code flows that we can use in our coding. When closing the Application Explorer, you'll get a prompt. Do you want to save this session? If you answer yes, it will tell you where it saved the session file. Files will be date organized. You can right-click the file name or the editor window to access the playback. Now we can interact with the recorded session. We're not live, but we can still see key values and code flows used. The extension also permits the execution of HB.js primitives. HB.js primitives include run, make, and put. Run compiles and runs the code against the host. It doesn't store the code on the host. Make compiles, runs, and stores the output on the host. And put compresses and stores the code or image or other file types on the host. Learn more and download the extension today. To explore Code for Z further, visit codeforz.broadcom.com.